Okay, let me go back and erase that based on the daily, the weekly. So let's see, the weekly is giving bearish vibes. It's giving bearish vibes, but it's not breaking. It did break this low, close below this low. So price again could pull up. What I have this alert here for a reason. I think it was because I had this is my swing high, this is my swing low. Oh, this was the 78 of the move down. So price could go there. And then I think that was the daily, Selena's daily order block, like in the wick of that order block. So that is possible that price may come here to this zone and then give wait a minute, hold on the 1 hour. Say on the 1 hour. That's a 78. I think it was just the 4-hour order block that I saw. Yeah, I'm still thinking because of this is the second push down that price is going to come back up to this zone. Continue selling down to our demand zone, which is here. Which is the negative 27. So with that being said, I just put it right here at the 100. That's 100 pips. Y'all know. I'm gonna just put it on top here. That's 275 pips. So this is what I'm thinking is gonna happen. So either price is gonna come here first, or price is going to, there's a 4-hour bearish order block. Maybe price will come down here first and then buy up. So if that's the case, then this is null and void. This sell, it would be null and void.
Can we say that last part again?
I said if price doesn't buy back up here first, then this sell right here would be voided. I would void that. Because if price pulls up maybe right here and then breaks here, then I'm not going to be looking for a sell, because if price comes up there and closes up here, it would have broken this
structure.
high. Yeah. Right. Yeah. So so then I would just be looking for the buy from this daily demand zone that we've been looking for forever. So yeah. And then that is what?
like a 70 some pips, I think.
Like, I'm gonna round it to 80. But I am on the 4 hour time frame too.
Mhm.
So if I went down to the 1 hour, I would be looking for price to come to this zone right here. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, there we go. Which is the -27.
Mhm.
So, um, I would be looking for price to come here. So that takes it down to 60 pips. Up to these highs, which
Mhm.
is 500 pips.
Make the church say amen.
Let the church say amen. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing. So I'm definitely
So
waiting.
Kim, can I walk you through what I see based on this? Like, I
Sure.
just want to know if my thoughts
Yes,
where they should be.
yes.
Okay, so um, 1 second. Um,
You wanna hop on are you on your computer?
I don't want to hop on my computer. Hold on, let me get a clean chart. I have so many charts.
Oh my gosh, you and all your charts, girl. How many, oh my gosh. I love
Let
it.
me see. Okay, create a new layout. Oh, I can't. I have too many layouts.
Oh,
Let me see.
can you take over my chart?
Um,
Let's see. Uh,
I think I probably can request control.
yep. Request and see what happens. Agree. There you go.
Okay, there we go. Okay, so I don't want to remove your markings. Is
You
that
can
okay?
remove them. You can remove them.
Okay, so based on, I'm gonna go back to the daily. All right, so based on the daily, this is what I see. We had, this is our swing.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So this is the zone that we're currently trading in. We had a
Yep.
break of structure.
Yep.
So ideally you would fib. It's a little jumpy, I guess, because I'm controlling the screen, so it's not as exact. Okay.
Yep.
So ideally you would fib this move because it broke structure. It's currently pulling back. We have consolidation, indecision, typically around the 50-61,
Mm-hmm.
which is what took place. All right, so we drop down to the 4 hour and we had what looks like two breaks for me. We had a break here, we had a pullback, we had a break here,
Mm-hmm.
and with this second break, we got bullish move
Yep.
up. We got a rejection wick with this candle. So now, call Jacob back. So now I am inclined to think that we are in the pullback of the second push down, which likes to go back to the peak formation. Hold on 1 second. Hey, son.
Hey, Mom.
What's up?
I don't know. What you doing?
On a call.
Hey, Neff.
Mm.
What is like? No, I'm forget it. When am I gonna get the one guy to my car?
Boy, I'm gonna call you back. Goodbye. I'm gonna call you back. Alrighty. Love you. Oops. I hung up in his face.
What he was asking for? Some
Robot.
Oh, money.
some
Oh
robot.
my goodness.
Oh, hold on. Let me call him right. So, I didn't mean to hang up in his face. Oh, wait.
And he was like,
It's the hesitation from me.
yeah.
Now he's not picking up.
He's trying to
Okay, I'll call him back. But I got him that little green light card where you can, I mean, it's just a card where you can put money on it.
Mm-hmm.
Dang it, now he calling me back. OMG. Hey, son, I was just calling back because I accidentally hung up in your face when you were saying I love you. I just want to tell you I love you. Okay, I'll call you back. All right. Okay, so we got the break, pullback break. We're getting a pullback of this whole move. I mean, we would want to see a 78 pull.
That's
But if price is going to continue to buy, is it really necessary for it to come that far up?
right. So if we broke this high, then I'm definitely expecting it. If we broke this high here,
Right here.
then I would definitely be expecting it to pull back to this zone to then sell.
Okay. So again, based on what has last taken place, like here in this move where we got a break, we got pullback, a rejection, didn't close below. If we're dropping down in time, we got a small break here of this internal structure.
Mm.
I don't know. I feel like we're gonna buy at the beginning of the week and sell later. Is that are my thoughts
Those,
correct?
yeah, very valid.
Okay.
Very valid. But like I said, I would need to see it break this little where's my little pencil? Right here. I would need to see it break here. Oh, let me do this. There we go. I would need to see it break here. To say we would get a pullback to that 78.
78.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And that would definitely be a very look, the higher that goes, the bigger that fall is going to be.
Mm-hmm.
So either way works for me.
Okay.
Either way. Mm-hmm. Oops. Yep, but that's a very valid move.
I'm just curious if from where price currently is, how many is that to the 78? Like just say market open and you just hit the buy button and covered the low.
242. Oh, no, you're
So
on.
if it came here, that's 100 pips. And I'm just looking, there's a gap, there's a order block right there to the left at,
Mm-hmm.
at where the high is, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or if it goes straight up, it's 242.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
a part of me just doesn't, and I see what Felicia is saying. A part of me just doesn't believe it's gonna break that 4 hour
The
bearish order
order
block.
block.
Yeah. I think it's gonna buy up first. I do, but I just don't think it's gonna break that order block on the 4 hour.
And what makes you think that? So
Because it's hit
This
it.
one right here.
No, that one's closer to where price is.
Oh, right here.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Because the only reason I said that it goes back to the daily, but well, like it's not it's red on yours, but it's green on mine, and that's a daily bearish order block.
daily. So I'm just gonna mark up
Yeah.
the. I'm just gonna mark from the high of this. So it would be somewhere up in here.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
that's the high,
Mm-hmm.
right, of the
Mm-hmm.
order block.
Right. Correct.
It could wick up,
True. True. True.
beat
So very
the
true.
high,
That's right. That's
and
right.
sell.
You're absolutely correct. Yep.
So and kind of because this is the second move,
Mm-hmm.
I am always looking for price to do a 88, maybe even 100% pullback
Okay.
before selling. Um, to be honest, I would be expecting price to come here. And I do think it's going to break through this order block. Now it may come here,
Mm-hmm.
pull back to this, if it,
Yep. That's what I was thinking. And then go, yeah.
and then go up here and then start selling,
Mm-hmm.
possibly. And again, if it goes above here, if it breaks above this high, then I'm expecting price to then pull back and then buy up to this 78 or 88 to then get the sell
Mm-hmm.
to the 78 or even the 80 to close this zone somewhere up in here. Mm-hmm.
and I definitely see that because that I see that as the the lower high, that high that it's. Can I mark on you?
Mm-hmm. You see the annotation in the left?
Yes, 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 yes. So I see this as a high. I see this as a higher high because it broke this.
Mm-hmm.
And then as price is pulling up, it's gonna make the lower high to sell.
Mm. Okay.
And I kind of see that on, is it the daily? Can you go to the daily now?
Yep. Ooh. I broke something off.
Oh, let me take those drawings off. Oh, trash. Okay. So I see on the daily the last three candles looks like a low, a lower low, and a higher low
The last three candles, you mean?
on the at the bottom.
Close to price. Okay.
Yeah. So we got a low,
You
a
talking about,
lower low, and a higher low.
these candles?
Yes. Yeah. So I see that as confirmation for a buy.
Mhm. But then I would need, again, we back to, this was the break of structure.
Uh,
This was the swing high, and this was the swing low. So I definitely can see the buy happening this week. And then after that, I don't know yet.
right. Okay.
I mean, I would like to see a break. Yeah. Yeah. I definitely see the buy right now. One, I don't trade imbalances, but it did
Mhm.
happen to an imbalance.
Mhm.
Um, and then up to this zone somewhere. If I go, hold on. Me. Oops. This zone here and this zone here. So yes, price could buy up into this zone and then sell back to this zone and then buy up.
And that's
But
the original zone that we had it that we've been waiting for.
yes, yes. Now, based on market structure, we had a breaker structure here. We had a change of character here. And then we have the swing low here. So this could come here, come back here, and then come down here. Because you said this could be the lower high. This could come into this zone. Hold on.
I think we're selling all the way down. Not,
Not right here. Not to here.
you
I'm
don't think so?
no. I would be expecting price to come back to this daily zone here and then buy up. Yeah. Yep. That's where I would be looking for the buy. But again, this will be my first buy up. If it doesn't break this high,
Mm.
then I would be expecting it to come here, come pull back here, and then take out all of that. Mm-hmm. So we shall see. So the first one, I have this alert here. So I will be waiting for on the 1 hour. I will be waiting to see what price does. Because this is our swing. This is our swing low. And this is our breaker structure. Okay. That's what I would be looking for price to come here. If we're gonna see if it breaks this order block, close above this order block, or rejects the order block. So I will be looking for, let me put another alert. Put another alert here to see what happens. If I get a change of character in here somewhere, then I know I'm selling down to this. It would be the third push down to here. So with that being said, I would be looking for price because there's an imbalance over here. I would be looking for price to take out this high. I'm just gonna put that right there for now. Put this up here. I would be looking for price to take out that high and then sell down to I'm gonna just put it right here. I'm gonna put this right here, but I do think that price may sweep into this imbalance and then start selling. That's my thoughts on that. Hmm.
I was just saying, repeating after you.
My thought.
Mhm.
Yep, this is what I think it's gonna do. And of course, there's gonna be some internal swings on this leg. And then that's what I expect to see. I'm just looking for my market maker cycle. That's it. I'm just looking for my 3 pushes. And then I'll be okay. Again, it doesn't have to happen that way, but because this is still bearish, I'm still looking for bears. I'm still selling right now.
Mhm.
I can't sell no more until it tells me otherwise. Or we can just wait for price to come down here. What y'all want to do? What y'all want to do? No, I was saying that because we really didn't get in a trade. Well, we kind of did, but last week. So this is the trade I would want to get in. I'm already plotting and planning on this trade. I'm already plotting and planning on this trade. So, and I'm plotting and planning 100K trade.
Okay, 100K trade.
So, I'm definitely going to, when these alerts go off, I'm definitely going to be looking for a move to happen. So that's my thoughts. Anybody?
Nope, I follow those thoughts.
Okay.
What was that second alert you have? I got one. What was the second one that you had?
This first one, oh, this one is that order block that's right here.
Okay,
4 hour in the wicks of the 4 hour order block.
okay, gotcha. I got it.
Yep. Because that was a swing high. I think on the 1 hour it was yeah, there's a 1 hour order block.
I was tracking.
So
All right.
we shall see.
Thank you, Kim. I'm going to bed.
Uh, all right. All right. Any questions? Other questions, Felicia? Any questions, Adrian?
Nope.
No, ma'am. Thanks, lady.
Thank you.
Martha Stewart is going back in her cave.
We can do what it do, Martha Stewart. Let us see. Let us see.
I said I was gonna record it. So
Yes, yes, yes. All right, y'all. Y'all have a great evening.
all right,
You
bye.
too. Bye bye.
Bye.